5 must-have items for your weekend getaway. Picture this. It's Friday afternoon, and you're ready to take off on a much-deserved weekend getaway. You picked out your destination, booked your accommodations, and now comes the dreaded part of packing. Don't worry, I've got you covered. As a matter of fact, I've just returned from a weekend getaway to Natchez, Mississippi for a little R&R and a brunch and biscuit cooking class with Chef Regina, who I met last February on the American Queen voyage along the mighty Mississippi. So I packed light with only a 22-inch carry-on bag. Natchez is a historical city situated on the Mississippi River, founded by the French in 1716. These days, it's backdrop to Hallmark movies, or does anyone remember the miniseries North and South? Yep, that was filmed in Natchez, or parts of it were filmed there, but I digress. With these 5 must-have items on my packing list, I'm fully prepared for any adventure that comes my way on a weekend getaway. Versatile clothing to a portable charger. Let's pack smart and stress-free. Because let's face it, airline travel in the 21st century can be stressful with long security lines or delayed flights. On my way back home from Natchez, we experienced a 2.5-hour delay due to stormy weather. And in the ensuing days, I read hundreds of thousands of passengers who had their travel plans result in horror stories after a wave of storms blew through the Northeast, causing flight delays, canceled flights, and sleepless nights at the airport. It truly is a domino effect when one flight is delayed, then another. But as I said, I've got you covered today. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn the 5 essential items that every weekend warrior needs in their travel bag. Plus, I'm sharing a few travel and hotel-friendly outfits. No one wants to make an early morning coffee run in their tattered t-shirt, right? Been there, done that. But I definitely don't want to rinse and repeat, especially if I can make the coffee run in a cute and comfy outfit, which I did in Natchez. Along with packing the right essentials, having versatile clothing is crucial for any weekend getaway. You want to be able to mix and match your outfits to create multiple looks without having to pack a separate outfit for each day. Opt for pieces that can easily transition from day to night, like a flowy sundress or a comfortable pair of jeans, linen pants, or shorts. Packing items that can be layered is also a smart choice, as weather can be unpredictable. Bring a lightweight jacket or a cozy sweater that can easily be thrown on if the temperature drops. Versatile clothing not only saves space in your luggage, but also allows for more flexibility in your itinerary. For a weekend excursion, you can get away with 2 tops, 1 bottom, 1 dress, 1 jacket or sweater, 1 pair of shoes, pajamas, and loungewear. And don't forget your pajamas, there's nothing worse. Many times I travel in a little black sheath dress from Ann Taylor paired with a jean jacket or super comfy Air Essentials from Spanx that make a travel a breeze. I love their jumpsuit with matching cocoon cardigan or their matching top and bottom. Recently, I splurged on a cute and comfy loungewear set named Nantucket from Frank and Eileen that will be on style repeat all summer long. I loved it so much that I went back and purchased another set called the Grease Travel Set. It has long pants and a short sleeve sweatshirt that could be very comfortable to travel in with a pair of espadrilles or sneakers. I've been a fan of Frank and Eileen for some time now and can vouch for their linen shirt dresses, which are a dream to wear, which would be a fantastic item to pack in your suitcase for a weekend getaway, as you can wear it as a shirt dress or lay it over jeans and a tee, making it quite versatile. When I travel, I usually have a bit of time at the end of the evening when I can watch a TV show or put my time to good use and learn a new skill. Learning is so important if we want to age with grace, strength, and beauty. And there's no easier way to learn than with Skillshare. Today, I'm thrilled to partner with this online community that makes it easy to learn on my timetable and in the comfort of my home. Whether you want to learn how to paint or take your guitar skills to the next level, Skillshare has a class for you. There are literally hundreds of online courses to choose from. Once you've decided on a class, or even 2, you can take the classes at your own pace. Whenever I have a bit of time, like on a weekend getaway, I just hop on over to Skillshare and dive in. I thoroughly enjoyed productivity and time management that helps me stay on track creating YouTube videos. But learning how to knit has always been on my to-do list, and Skillshare is helping me knit one and purl two. Or maybe that's purl one and knit two. Today I have a great offer from Skillshare if you want to continue to be a lifelong learner. The first 1,000 people to click the link listed in the description box will get 1 month free trial of Skillshare. So jumpstart your learning with Skillshare. And as I said, everything is linked down below in the description box. And you can learn to knit along with me. Now let's talk about another essential item for your weekend getaway: comfortable shoes. When exploring a new city or spending time outdoors, the last thing you want is to have sore feet. That's why it's important to pack a pair of shoes that provide both comfort and support. Sneakers or walking shoes are a great choice, as they are designed for long periods of walking and offer cushioning for your feet. But comfort doesn't mean sacrificing style. Look for shoes that complement your outfits and can be dressed up or down. For example, ballet flats can be worn with jeans, shorts, or skirts for a casual day out in the city, or paired with a dress for lunch or a dinner date. Honestly, a Chanel-esque cap-toe ballet flat is a classic that never goes out of style and is a safe bet. During the summer months, consider bringing along a pair of comfortable sneakers for a nature hike, or sandals if you're headed to the beach. Come winter, a pair of leather booties is a versatile option, but you will have to tailor your shoes to your destination and time of year. Now that you have your versatile and comfortable clothing packed, it's time to focus on the toiletries you'll pack in your bag for the trip. Get excited! All July, I am offering 2 $500 gift cards to Nordstrom, and it's so easy to enter. All you have to do is share my secret code word that I share at the end of this video. You drop that down in the comments section and sign up for my newsletter. And you're going to want to sign up for my newsletter because we share so many valuable pieces of content over on the blog. So you can sign up for the daily post, or you can sign up for the weekly one. And everything is linked down below. When it comes to packing for a weekend getaway, toiletries are often an afterthought. However, they are just as important as your clothing and accessories. To make things easier, opt for travel-sized toiletries that won't take up much space in your bag. Start with the essentials such as toothpaste, toothbrush, and deodorant. Look for travel-sized versions of your favorite products. And don't forget about skincare. Pack a travel-sized cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen to keep your skin looking and feeling healthy during your trip. Purchase empty travel bottles to fill with products you already have at home, or if you're like me, I purchase travel skincare sets from my favorite brands, Colleen Rothschild or Elemis. And lastly, bring along any necessary medications or supplements you may need. It's always better to be prepared just in case. Now that you've packed your versatile clothing and essential toiletries, it's time to focus on staying hydrated while on the go. And it would so help the channel grow, especially if you love content like this. So all you have to do is like, share, comment, hit the subscription box and the notification bell. Bring along a reusable water bottle to stay refreshed throughout your trip. Now that you have all of your necessary items packed and ready to go, it's important to keep your energy levels up during your weekend getaway. This is where a reusable water bottle comes in handy. Whether you're hiking, biking, or exploring a new city, it's important to stay hydrated. Instead of constantly buying plastic water bottles, bring a usable one to fill up whenever you need to quench your thirst. Not only is it better for the environment, but it will also save you money in the long run. In addition to staying hydrated, a portable charger is also a must-have for your weekend getaway. I never leave home without mine. In today's digital age, it's almost impossible to go anywhere without our trusty electronic devices. Whether it's our smartphones, tablets, or e-readers, these items are often essential for keeping in touch, staying entertained, or getting work done on the go. However, as we all know, battery life can be a concern when we're out and about, especially when we don't have access to an outlet. That's when a portable charger comes in handy. A portable charger is a small battery-powered device that can be used to charge your electronic devices on the go. With a portable charger, you can keep your devices fully charged without having to worry about finding an outlet or carrying around a bulky charging cable. Most portable chargers are compact and lightweight, which makes them easy to carry in your bag or even pocket. Having a portable charger on your weekend getaway can be a game changer. Whether you're using your phone to take photos, navigating with a GPS app, or simply checking emails, a dead battery can quickly put a damper on your plans. With a portable charger, you can keep your device fully charged throughout the day, so you never miss a moment or an important message. So if you're planning a weekend getaway, don't forget to pack your portable charger. It's a small but essential item that can make a big difference in your overall experience. Didn't I tell you packing for a weekend getaway can be a breeze? By ensuring that you have versatile clothing, comfortable shoes, travel-sized toiletries, a reusable water bottle, and a portable charger, you'll be ready for any adventure that comes your way. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bag and hit the road. And don't forget to share your must-have items for weekend getaways in the comments below. As the saying goes, adventure awaits. Code word for this week is getaway packing. And a big thank you for Skillshare for this sponsored post. And thank you, my lovely subscribers, for supporting the brands that allow me to bring you fresh ideas. Of course, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Leave a comment down below, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.